Everyone loves the whiteboard. It's comfortable, it's easy to use. It's an essential part of any brainstorming session. That is, of course, as long as you're in the room. If you're participating remotely, the contents of that whiteboard often remain a mystery. Through a typical laptop camera, the writing on the board is hard to read, the angle can be uncomfortable, and your teammates are often in the way. Our application solves these problems. After identifying the board, our app zooms in on your workspace and adjusts the viewing angle. Then, it gently smooths out your background and intelligently amplifies any written content. Finally, our app positions that content in front of any obstacles, such as your colleagues by the board. Now your remote participants can join in the whiteboarding session as if they were in the room. Interested? Download the beta now and help us make remote whiteboarding a reality.